Said's relationship with Shambit started with his first book, Jalebi Management, which was published in early 2007. It has been a pleasure to have him as a valuable Sage author through all these years. Jalebi Management compared Indian industry to a jalebi. Doing so was a totally disruptive idea. It showed how it is necessary for organizations to interconnect seamlessly so that business can swim smoothly in the sweet syrup of the jalebi. However, the jalebi has a flip side too. Its shape is never predictable, but business has to be unsurprising. Strategic Pokes, The Business Jalebi, his second book, is all about the unconstructive areas that business houses in India have to cope with. The book rides through the Indian and European landscape, spanning across history to explore the perceptible, exciting distinction that customers value. The book reveals how Indian business entangles itself in the jalebi's uneven character, and then with disruptive insights, it looks for a jalebi pattern to exist this maze. To complete the Jalebi trilogy, a third book is in the pipeline, Corrugated Slices, The Social Jalebi, and is set to be published later this year. As we have a response division, so we do a lot of such stuff, which is management and related to the consumer behavior, understanding policy, innovation. So 2007, when it was acquired, there was a lot of buzz and there's a lot of, excitement and a lot of talk about first, yes, jalebi management. It didn't actually go into anybody's head and nobody understood it. But, once the book was out in 2007 and the way it has sold, it's one of our highest selling books so far, among others. It's very innovative, it's very creative. It's a very different kind of writing that Shambit has really brought. So it's really, taken our Sage brand, also added a lot of value to Sage brand. And it's honor and actually privilege to have Shambit as one of our, leading authors.